Hey there! Are you looking to tag someone in a picture on Facebook using your Android phone? In this video, we'll show you how to do just that. To get started, open up the Facebook app on your Android phone. Click on Photo at the top of your feed. This will bring up your camera roll. From there, select the picture you want to tag someone in and click Next. This will take you to the screen where you can add a caption and tag people in the picture. To tag someone, click on Tag and start typing their name in the text box. Facebook will suggest names as you type. When you see the person you want to tag, click the checkbox next to their profile picture. If the person you want to tag isn't on the list, you can simply finish typing their name. Once you've tagged the person, click Done when you're finished. You can tag multiple people in the same picture by repeating these steps. When you're ready to post the picture, click Post. The picture will appear on your Facebook profile with the people you've tagged in it. It's important to note that when you tag someone in a picture, they will receive a notification letting them know that they've been tagged. This can be useful if you want to draw someone's attention to a particular picture, or if you want to share a memory with someone. In summary, here are the steps to tag someone in a picture on Facebook on Android. 1. Open the Facebook app. 2. Click Photo at the top of your feed. 3. Select a picture from your camera roll. 4. Click Next. 5. Click Tag. 6. Start typing their name in the text box. 7. Click the checkbox next to their profile picture. 8. Click Done when finished tagging. 9. Click Post. That's it. Tagging someone in a picture is a great way to share memories and draw attention to particular posts on Facebook. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials on social media and technology.